Something that people have been asking is if I could do a demo of Operator and what it looks like with Postman, because I've done some testing with it and it's pretty good. So here's what I'm going to try, because DeepSeek came out and I'd like to create a Postman collection with DeepSeek. Okay, so we'll try this. On the screen, can you create a Postman collection for the DeepSeek API? Here is the URL for DeepSeek. Okay, so I was able to find that. Now let's see what happens. I'll expand this. And you can see on the left over here, we've got, it's showing us what it's doing, which is really cool. It's telling us, hey, here's my train of thought. We're going to try, here's what we're doing. We're accessing DeepSeek's API documentation, expanding the reference endpoints, and it's capturing all of that. Let's see how it does when it creates a Postman collection. So it looks like it was able to put it together. Can you go to Postman and create the collection for me? Interesting. So let's do this. Let's take control, because I've logged into Postman here before. I'm going to go to postman.com. Okay, this is my own personal. So we'll do workspace. Okay, we'll finish up and I'll just say logged into Postman. All right, so now it's navigating through Postman. It's creating the collection. Change it to DeepSeek API. It's adding a new request. Create chat completion. Wow. I mean, this is really cool. Already, this is surprisingly good. I'm not, I know I could go through all of the API documentation for this and take a look at it, but reality, I mean, look at this. This is doing all of it for me. And so imagine if what I was doing is, imagine, I'm watching this, right? But let's say I'm out doing something. I'm out driving, or I'm out, I'm out with my family, or I'm just in a place where I can't do something like this, but I know I need to do this. This right here is showing me that, hey, I can pass Operator the instructions and have it do this for me without me having to hold its hand. I don't have to go through the documentation, do it myself. This is, in essence, this is what a junior engineer or a junior level person, entry level person is going to be doing for me. I'm going to have them go read through the documentation, create a collection for it. Look at that. It's adding the bearer tokens. I'm thoroughly impressed by what Operator is doing right now. It's filling in the body. I configured it. Should I save this to files? Yes. Please save it. And it goes to save. There it is. Oh, and it's exporting it for me. Let's see. And it downloaded it. So now I can pull this into other things. Oh, DeepSeek to export. Got it. Okay. Well, there you have it. I mean, now I've got a collection here with my own personal DeepSeek API now, and I can go and try it. If I go back and take control over this, what I like about it, what I like about Operator is now I can take control. I can see it. So I'll go in, I'll update my API. I'll add my API key for DeepSeek, and I'll test this against other APIs. Very cool. Very cool.